Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare millet polenta, a dish that was already popular in the antiquity and continued to be prepared in a similar way in the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. We start with ingredients. We need millet flour, milk, butter, and ricotta salata. We cook the millet flour in half water and half milk with salt, stirring constantly. We used 1 part flour and 5 parts water and milk, but the ratio depends on how hard you want the polenta to be. We cooked it for about half an hour. Ancient peasants, writes Galen, cooked millet flour in milk and seasoned it with lard or oil. Millet flour or all grains are cooked in the same way throughout history. For example, in Antimus de Observatione Ciborum, written in the 6th century, as well as in late medieval sources, such as Anonimo Toscanos, Libro della Cucina, and Anonimo Venezianos, Libro di Cucina. Although the latter source replaces milk with almond milk and adds sugar and salt. We have also used Renaissance sources, the poem Celeo e l'orto by Bernardino Baldi and Le 20 giornate dell'agricoltura by Agostino Gallo, which recommend butter and salted ricotta to dress the polenta. Butter and cheese are also the dressing for maize and buckwheat polenta, according to Castore Durante and Pietro Andrea Mattioli. To learn more about cereals in historical cooking, read our book Early Italian Recipes, Cereals, Bread, Pasta and Pies. The translations of Antimus de Observatione Ciborum and Anonimo Toscanos, Libro della Cucina, can be found on Amazon as well, whereas the translations of other sources, such as Anonimo Venezianos, Libro di Cucina, are available on our Patreon page. You will find a list of our books on historical food in the description below, along with links to buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise. When the polenta is done, we lay it on a cutting board, let it rest for a few minutes, and cut it with a string. We serve it with melted butter and grated ricotta. This polenta was delicious, with the intense flavor of salted ricotta, pairing perfectly with the sweetness of the millet cooked in milk. It would also be interesting to alternate layers of polenta with fresh cheese. Tasting this polenta is the perfect way to explore our incredible culinary tradition, through a dish that, beyond the changes due to the distance in time, has been prepared in a similar way for at least 2 millennia. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.